When I drink Fanta,
It's my birthday.
everyone calls me fantastic. But when I drink alcohol, my mom calls me an alcoholic. It's falling again.
See, you also shaved your eyebrows. A little bit of the first part is off.
Yeah, I know. I got bored and I did that. Right here.
Why'd you do that?
I have no impulse control. I told you this.
It's my birthday, and I was like, what the fuck am I gonna do? And then this 9-year-old little boy texted me, and she was like, let's make cupcakes. And I was like, yes. She bought a whole bunch of stuff for it. She bought fondant. That's some next level shit, dude. She bought googly eyes. Candy googly eyes.
Yeah, they aren't googly. They're just eyes.
They're just eyes.
They stare into your soul.
They're just staring into your soul.
Are you just gonna repeat everything I say?
She bought candy melt. She bought decorative bags.
I'm keeping this in my room.
Why do we need decorative?
For icing.
Ah! And then we have, fuck, okay. We have icing topping. We have egg.
2 more egg.
We have 3 egg. Don't eat egg! Also, we have extra moist chocolate. Black decorative. Why is everything black?
So, you know your cat Noir?
We're gonna make my cat Noir. I'll
Yeah.
insert a picture right here with him with the cowboy hat.
I'm Stan and I was wrong. I'm singing the Stan wrong song. Something when I had the chance. Now here's my remorseful dance. Jazzier! Okay, so.
I would eat Google eyes.
Galuga eyes.
Galuga eyes. Make a fish.
What?
The fish looks cool.
Yeah, but we only have black and white on.
Make black fish. Oh, it's falling!
That's kind of racist, Shy.
How's that racist? I like black fish. I'm not discriminating on fish.
Are you discriminating white fish?
No, I like white fish too. We just have all black stuff because of you.
Because we're gonna make your cat. That's why you have the fondue it too, so we can make like little ears.
You're smart. First, we need to put how many egg?
3 egg. That's what I got that. I'm pretty sure we need to put the cake batter in there first.
Sure. It's fine. We can put top of egg on.
Top of egg on.
We can put it on top of
Don't worry,
egg.
we can.
We're not big brain. We are small
Oh wait,
brain.
I need to wash my hands.
Wash hands because you are small brain. 1/3 of vegetable
And then we
oil.
also add a bit of fancy.
No. Why? Fuck off.
9-year-olds can't grasp the concept of what deep is. And neither can 13-year-olds or 15-year-olds.
Hey, shut up. I can grasp the concept that my dad beats me.
You don't have rights, woman. Mix it.
Oh.
Are you naked?
Yeah. Are you naked?
Ew.
Okay, we got it in. Also, we didn't even use half of what we were supposed to.
Put it in one of these. What the?
Okay, we put it in this.
Don't fuck it up.
We put it in this. Literally just bake cakes. Am I irresponsible? Maybe. Do I care? I don't give a fuck. Mom probably watches my videos. I'm sorry, Mom. Please excuse my cursing. It's my birthday. Give me a break.
By the time this goes up, it won't be your birthday anymore.
No, it probably won't. It'll probably be like a month from my birthday. By the way, my birthday is October 15th.
15th.
It's the 15th.
I didn't
How
know
do you
today's
forget
day.
it? Why?
I didn't know.
How do you?
Oh my god.
It looks so good.
Shit.
Look at it. That's my cat's fur. We're making my cat. This is so fun. The whiskers are a little messed up.
Aw, shit.
But I think I did pretty good. I didn't film an outro, but here's the finished product right here. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.